Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create a community in the Viber app. Viber communities are a great way to connect with large groups of people, whether for business, hobbies, or anything else. Let's dive into the steps to create your own community in Viber. First of all, you have to open the Viber app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you are in the app, head over to the Chats tab where you will see all your conversations. Now to create a community, to start a new chat, which is located at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, we can see an option saying new group or community, so just tap on it. Now you have to select at least one person in order to create your new group or community. After that, click on the purple circular button which is located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now for creating a community, firstly click on the community option. And you will have to give a name to the community, optionally a description as well. The name should reflect the purpose of your community. And now you have successfully created a community. Once your community name is set, you can customize its setting as well. Now you can start adding members to your community. You can invite contacts from your Viber list or share a join link with others. And that's it, you have successfully created your own community in Viber. Now you can connect with people, share content, and engage in meaningful conversations. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.